In beautiful Whangaroa, you will find this 5-acre lifestyle property with rural views across rolling green hills, grazing flats and the Wainui Pa. The private established gravel driveway takes you through this bush-clad 2.1 hectare property towards a generous house site and cabin perched on the hillside. A choice of building sites tucked away in a warm, sunny location and yet elevated to take advantage of the surrounding rural views across Waitapu Valley and beyond. The newly built 24 square metre cabin provides accommodation while you plan your building project. Enjoy the amazing views and the balmy sunny evenings while sitting on the sofa or barbecuing on the deck. You also have a 1/3 ownership in the neighbouring 9.8 hectare protected bush block, providing even more privacy as you enjoy the stunning far north location. Just 10 minutes to the sandy swimming beach of Tauranga Bay and just minutes to Whangaroa Harbour and the Sports Fishing Club and Marina. To view, contact me, Leonie Matia, One Agency Far North.